All right, we are going to set some adaptive component parameters by name here. You could use this for other parameters as well in Revit, but I'm going to use an adaptive component. So the adaptive component I'm going to use for this one is the 2-point louver, and if I edit that and open that component up, when we look at it, zoom around it a little bit, basically what you have is two lines that are hosted on another line that have rotation parameters on them. So if we look at the parameters that have been set, you've got a P1 and a P2. So let's set those back to 0, right? And apply. It'll flap that thing down. It has a length for the distance of it. And then this little point offset moves the points for me. So, and they're all type parameters, which is an important point. So what we're going to do is place this and repeat it and set the parameter in Revit. So I have a conceptual mass open here that has two lines that have been divided. If you're interested in learning this part, I do have some videos on adaptive components and placing them, so you can look at those. But if I come to this 2-point louver, pull it out here, and set it up right there, and then I repeat that using the repeat command here, it will array it across there. And now I can come over here to my definition that has a family types node, and then the code block, and two set element set parameter by names. And you can use this for type parameters. So you see that I have the names of the parameters that are in here, and then I have a 10 and a 60. And if I push those into the values, right, you'll see it update those. I can also use a number slider. So if I do a number slider, right, you can pull that guy out. And let's just change it to an integer slider. Pull that up, pull that here, and I can put that into the value, right, and you'll see it update. And if I slide this, right, you'll see it sort of wave through the different versions. Okay, so that's set type parameter by name. So remember, it's a type parameter, not an instance. The next one that we'll do is an instance parameter.